Hi my little nation, it's me Melina Knives. I'm going to be swatching the Imagic PROfessional Cosmetics palette. This has 16 colors and I did get this from wish.com. I love this foiling around this mirror. I think that is actually really beautiful. I just like the way the palette looks in general. It looks very textured, like I'm just saying foil because it looks like foil to me, but very pretty. It's nice quality. Now, this is what palette looks like inside. These retail for about $12 or so. So, let's get swatching. This has actually been on my desk for more than a couple months. I've been meaning to do a video with this palette for a long time and I just haven't gotten to it. I feel like this would be a really perfect palette for like fall, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I only have 4 shades on, this is like a 4x4, so I'm going to use 4 fingers for each row, and I think that's what we're gonna start doing when it's like this. Okay, so these do have names, but I'm just, for time's sake, I'm gonna read them to you after I put them on my fingers. So Classic, Winky, Rebel, and Smoked. And let's lay it down. Okay. Some shadows are actually really pretty. Like this one and this one are super pretty. I'm really feeling this shadow right here. Okay, for the second, I'm going to be doing Malloy, Hung, Bubble, and Vamp. So here's Malloy, right here. Hung, which I'm questioning that one. The name. Bubble. Nice. And Vamp. So weird name, the name shadow. Hung. This, the first shade right here. Wow. I'm trying to get different angles for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, and that was the second row. Now on for the third. This is Sing. That shadow is so soft. Okay, this one is Profesh, probably like Professional. This is Wine. Don't know if you guys can actually see these. And Drama. Yes. Come through. Those swatched beautifully. One's, okay, this gold shade is giving me life right now. This one and these two, oh my god, these two paired together for like Thanksgiving. Hell yes, look at this. Oh my god. This looks Shane Dawson. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But look at these. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to wipe these off. Those are beautiful. Holy shit. I'm in love. Oh my god. Drama shade did leave a little bit of staining on my hand, but my hands are clean. I just stained. We are going to into the shade Drive, Bold, Garcia, and Prowl. So here is Drive. It's a really nice foil shade. Bold, Garcia, and Prowl. Okay. Obviously, for a palette that's probably not a real palette, I think these shades actually came out pretty good. The foil shades are absolutely fucking amazing. I love this so much. Wow, but the shadows are so soft that I'll just show you. This is what happens to the pans after you just dip into them. And do you see like how bad they're dented? My camera's out of focus. Okay, there you go. Like, it just doesn't look too pretty after you've dipped into it. I don't think I've even pressed that hard on these, but it looks like I dug some shadow out and did all that stuff. So that was the end of this palette. What were your favorite shades? What weren't your favorite shades? You know, would you ever get this palette or stuff like that? So, all right, see you guys next time. Bye.